this is Roxy. I'm back with a subscription box from Amanda at Your Creative Studio. So I will just get right into it. I'll make my projects after this video. So this is just going to be an unboxing. I love this little card so far. Baking is my love language. And I'm excited for this because I do a lot of recipe books for craft sales and stuff. So here we go. Just going to start from the top and go to the bottom. A little book of, I think they're stickers. They're all different. Real vintage, almost kind of French variety. They're cute. Let's see if they're stickers or not. Yeah, they're vellum stickers. So they look dark, but when you put them on like a white or cream, they'll be really nice and clear. And more stickers. Looks like breads maybe. We got pretzels. Marshmallow toast. Or egg toast. I don't know what that is. Little bird. Oh, it's a bird's nest. Croissants. Loaves of bread. These will be fun. Cute. That looks good. Okay, so that'll be fun. Then, washi tape. Oh, that's cool. It's a distressed gingham. That'll be nice. Especially red check. And a wood stamp. Oh, cool. That's really cool. Like a maitre d', a weight or whatever. Another wood stamp. Ooh, a cheesecake. Nice. That's nice. It's really nice wood. So I'll be testing all this out in the upcoming video. Ooh, what's this? That's cute. The box alone is cute. More vellum. Oops, there we go. Fun. All she needed to hear. Yep. Here's some more. These are just vellum. So these you'd glue down. Gotta go that way. These are fun though. Paper. Ooh, Oreos. And then vellum stickers. All kinds. Fruit. Pastries. Whatever you can think of. Cats. Eating some french fries. It's a cat eating french fries. So there's that. These are really fun. Can't wait to use it. Some little vellum pieces. Sweet scented. Paper. So they're nice labels to have. It's always like little journal spots. Are always good to have. That's cool. Tags. And journal spots. Very cool. Paper. So we'll do these first. Cute. Some more vellum. Wow, this is jam-packed. I think I'm going to leave this in here. It's really fine kind of tissue paper with little breads and a chef hat. And, ooh, cute. That's a cute set. With all the little chefs. I like it. Bake the world a better place. That's cute. Cool. You can never have enough stamps. Right? Oh, this is... Ooh, rub-ons. Love rub-ons. A little paddle. It's adorable. There's our girl. These are nice. Ooh, nice and thick. Very pretty. Ooh, that's a big... That's going to get a lot of use. She's cute. So these must be... yeah, these are Amanda's. As are the stamps. That set. And I think that might be it. Probably the paper. Cute. Love that. Then, oh, this is hers too. How do I get it open? Oh, here. That's cool. That'll be a nice base. Very cute. Ooh, look at. I love that. Little flowers. So these are all her papers. Cute. That's nice. That could actually be cute for gardening journal too. Nice. And then paper. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice. That's a lot of paper, which is super nice because you can use it for a lot of different things. Instead of just getting, 4 or 5 sheets. It's nice. Cute. Love it. So this is a great kit, Amanda. I'll put the information for your creative studio down below. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.